Welcome to the channel. In this short video, I'll show how to use Figma's Instant Swap property to quickly change icons inside a component. If you've used an older interface before, this is the newer, cleaner way to let a button or card swap its nested icon without having to dig through layers. As you can see, here are the components of icons, a button with a variant, and a few instances. If you don't know what all these are, I highly recommend you watch my video on components and variants. The link is in the description. If you are starting from scratch, start by creating the button you want and turning it into a main component. Inside that component, the icon you want to be replaceable must itself be a component. So first, make each icon a separate component and keep them in a dedicated page or folder in the file. That keeps your file tidy and makes the instance swap work reliably. With the main component selected, open the Properties panel on the right and add a new property. Choose Instant Swap as the property type, give it a name like Icon, and pick a default value, one of your icon components. You can also set preferred values, a small curated list of icons you expect people to use for that slot. Click Create Property. Next, apply the Instant Swap property to the nested icon inside your main component. Select the nested icon instant. Click Apply Instant Swap property at the top of the right sidebar and choose the property you created. When applied, you'll see a purple pill with the property name in the panel. Now, come to the instances of your main component on the canvas. If nothing seems changeable at first, double-click the nested icon in the child component to focus it, then use the Instant Swap menu that appears at the top of the right panel to pick a different icon. That step is often missed, and it's why people think the property didn't work. Let's test. Select an instance again. Go to the icon drop-down in the upper right-hand menu. Choose the icon is swapped. Here, its icon is swapped. Let's try with other instances. A couple of tips. The nested icon must be an instance of a component, not a flattened group or vector. If it's not a component, Figma won't be able to find alternatives to swap in. Also, avoid putting all your components on the same page unless you want chaos. Store icons on a separate page for clarity. Instant Swap won't let a component replace itself with the exact same component, so don't expect it to swap a button with the same button. It will, however, replace a nested icon instance with any other icon component you've allowed as a preferred or available value. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Also, comment. What problem do you want me to solve in the next video? Take care and bye.